Today, Project Dantak conducts a workshop on new technologies for eco-friendly road construction. The event took place at Dantak headquarters, 𝐓𝐞𝐜, and was witnessed by senior officials and technical experts. The workshop focused on introducing eco-friendly technologies in road construction to minimize environmental impact by promoting the use of recycled materials, sustainable resources and energy-efficient practices. Organized by BRO Project Dantak in collaboration with CSIR-CRRI India, the event brought together key officials from Department of Surface Transport, representatives from Lucky Cement Private Limited and other stakeholders.
Technological scientific endeavor of Border Road Organization in collaboration with CSIR Central Road Research Institute is led by the Director General Border Road Organization, Lieutenant General Sri Raghu Srinivasan. As per his direction, the Border Road Organization is utilizing this technology to construct the road under low temperature condition in high altitude region across India, and today it is successfully tried in Royal Kingdom of Bhutan.
The session was led by Mr. Satish Pandey, an eminent scientist from India, renowned for his contribution to infrastructure, innovation and research. The focus was placed on using recycled materials, steel slag and energy-efficient processes. Key highlights include REJUPAVE, a biofuel-based asphalt modifier, and recycled asphalt pavement, which reuses old pavement materials. Steel slag roads and Terasurfacing were also introduced as sustainable solutions. A live demonstration of REJUPAVE resurfacing was conducted on a 100-meter stretch near Babesa Circle. Officials stressed the importance of such technologies in reducing environmental impact, especially in high-altitude regions, and committed to promoting knowledge sharing and sustainable infrastructure development. With knowledge sharing platform like this, Project Dantak continues to reaffirm its commitments towards technological advancement and regional development. This is 𝐵𝐴𝐵𝐿 with cameraman 𝐕𝐵𝐿 reporting for Bhutan Today News.